Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1BM. So, what is our running topic? Locus. Already 10 classes are completed. Now the 11th class. Okay now? So, the second bit 7th term up to 7th term are completed. Now running question is 8th question. So, find the equation of the locus of a point which forms a triangle of area 2. Okay na? Which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points A of 1 comma 1, B of minus 2 comma 1. So here we are taking one triangle. Okay na? So A of 1 comma 1, B of what is the value? Minus 2 comma 1. Here we are taking P is equal to x comma y. Here P of x comma y be any point of the locus. That means the point P satisfy our given geometrical condition. What is our given geometrical condition, sir? The point P forms with the points A and B. How much area forms, sir? 2 units. Okay, now P is the moving point actually. P is the moving point. Okay, now not constant point. So P is the moving point. This point satisfying our given geometrical condition. So what are the common steps, sir? Here solution. What is the common step? Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. So master should write this step. Okay now, for each problem, this is the common step for each problem. If I write this step, we will get 1 mark. Okay now, what is the given points, sir? Here given points. A is equal to 1 comma, B is equal to minus 2 comma. Okay, now, here given condition. What is the given condition, sir? Given condition. Area of triangle. Which one, sir? PAB is equal to how much? 2 square units. 2 is nothing but 2 square units. Area of triangle PAB is equal to 2 square units. By using of this condition, we can find the answer. Equation of the locus we can find. Okay now? Here we are writing the area of triangle formula. Area of triangle. So area of triangle formula R into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle formula. So this is the formula for area of triangle. Okay. So here what is given, sir? Area of triangle. Which one, sir? PAB is equal to what is the answer? 2 square units. 2 square units. Area of triangle PAB is equal to 2 square units. Now we are substituting these values in this formula. P is equal to what is the number? X comma y. A is equal to 1 comma 1. B is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Okay now? This is nothing but x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Area of triangle PAB R into modulus of x1 is nothing but x, y2 minus y3, y2 is equal to 1 minus 3 plus x2, x2 is equal to 1, x2 into y3 minus y1, here 3 minus y plus x3 x3 is equal to what is the value? Minus 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 is equal to what is the value? Y minus 1 is equal to what is the value? 2. There is already 2 is there. 2 we are multiplying with the right side. 2 into 2, 4. And so modulus of x into 1 minus 3 minus 2. Here what is the value? 3 minus y. Minus 2 into y minus 1. What is the value? Minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 2 into 2, what is the value of 4? Understand? Minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 2 into 1 plus 2. Okay now? So 2 into 2, what is the answer? 4. Now we are simplifying this one. Here modulus of x minus 2 minus 2x minus y minus 2y minus 3y 3 plus 2 5 is equal to 4. If we are eliminating modulus, first one should right side we are writing plus or minus. Here what is this sir? Minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 4. Here we are getting the two cases, plus 4 and minus 4. Here we are taking minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 4. Minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to minus 4. This value we are taking to the left side, otherwise this total value we are taking to the right side. 2x plus 3y plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. Here 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. 4 minus 5 nothing but minus 1 equal to 0. LCM, this value also total value we are taking to the right side. 2x plus 3y minus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, the required locus here we are multiplying these two equations. 2x plus 3y minus 1 into 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 1 into 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the required locus. All of you note down clearly. So write down must and should maintain the payload to come. All of you. So see next question. Here, ninth question. The distance from P to the points 2, 3 and 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the equation of the locus of Pm. Suppose this is the points, 2 points are there. This is the point A, this is the point B. Here this is the point P is equal to x, y. The distance from P to A is PA. The distance from P to B is PBM. Here we have what is the conditions are PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. This is the given condition. PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. Okay na? So 2:3 like this one. So we are writing this is the B. Here 3 this is 2. 2:3. Okay. So see the solution. Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. X comma y be any point on the locus. P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Okay now? Here what are the given points are? Here given points. So this one we are taking A is equal to. Okay now? So 2, 3, B is equal to 2, minus 3. A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to 2, minus 3 are the given points. Okay now? 2, 3 and 2, minus 3. Okay now? Given condition. What is the given condition, sir? Given condition. So PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. PA is to PB is equal to what is the value? 2:3. If we are eliminating ratio, master should be writing divided by 1. So PA by PB is equal to 2/3. Now we are doing the cross multiplication. 3PA is equal to 2PB. So here we are doing PA is there, that's why squaring are both sides. squaring on both sides. The other is squaring on both sides. 3 square is equal to 9. 9 into PA whole square is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 into PB square. 3 square is equal to 9 into PA square is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 into PB square. Now we are substituting the values. P is equal to x comma A is equal to 2 comma 3. B is equal to what is the value B? 2 comma minus 3. Okay now? So now we are simplifying 9 into PA square x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 into PB square x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. So now we are expanding this one. 9 into, then what is the value, sir? 9 into x minus 2 whole square. X square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4. Y minus 3 whole square plus y square minus 6y plus 9. Okay now? Is equal to 4 into what is that? X minus 2 whole square. X square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4. Y plus 3 whole square. Yes, y square plus 6y plus 9. Y square plus 6y plus 9. Okay now? So now we are simplifying this one. 9 into x square. 9x square. Minus 9 into 4, 36x. 9 into 4, 36. Plus 9y square. 9 into 6, 54y. 9 into 9, 81 is equal to 4 into x square. 4x square minus 16x plus 16. Okay. 4 into y square, 4y square. So see, this is already condition is completed. So this 4, what is it? 4y square, 4 into y square, 4y square. 4 into 6, 24y. 4 into 9, 36. Okay now? So now the total equation we are taking to the left side. Okay now? Here we are writing x square terms, we are writing y square terms. Here 9x square minus 4x square plus 9y square minus 4y square. Okay now? Here, so 36 is there. There also 36 cancel. 36 cancel. Here what is the number? Minus 36x. This one we are taking left side plus 16x. Okay na? Here 54y is there. Minus 54y minus 24y. Minus 24y. Here what is the value? Plus 81. 81 minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay now? Plus 81 minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay now? 9x square minus 4x square. 5x square. 9y square minus 4y square is equal to 5y square. Minus 36x plus 16x. Minus 20x. Minus 54y minus 24. Minus 78y. Minus 81 minus 16 plus 65 plus 65 plus 65 is equal to 0. This is the required locus. Is the required locus equation. 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 equal to 0 is the required locus equation. Okay na? All of the items. Here, see the next question. Okay na? So A of 1 comma 2, B of 2 comma minus 3, C of minus 2 comma 3 are the 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square means total PA whole square. Okay na? PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. Then show that the equation to the locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. In our question there is already geometrical condition is given directly. Okay na? What is the geometrical condition, sir? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. That is the given geometrical condition. Answer is also given. What is the answer, sir? 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Our locus equation is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. That is we are showing. Okay now? Answer is given. Geometrical condition also given. Okay now? See the solution. Here, this is the common step. Let P is equal to x comma by b. Any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Okay now? Here we are writing given point sum. Given points A is equal to what is the value? 1 comma. B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. These are the given points. Here we are writing given condition. What is the given condition, sir? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. PA square means PA whole square. PB square, PB whole square. 2 into PC square, PC whole square. Like this one. Here P is equal to what is the value of P, sir? X comma Y. A is equal to 1 comma 2. B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. And also the point C is also there. 2 comma minus 3. C is equal to minus 2 comma 3. I'm sorry. C, the point C is there. C is which one, sir? Minus 2 comma 3. Here C is equal to, so no need of this one writing already. We have all values are there. Okay na? P is equal to x comma y. A equal to 1 comma 2. B equal to 2 comma minus 3. C is equal to minus 2 comma. PA square. Okay na? PA square. Here PA square. No need of writing under root. So PA square is there, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus PB square. What is the PB square value, sir? X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. Y plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 into PC square. C equal to minus 2 comma x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now we are simplifying this one. X minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1. Here y square minus 4y plus 4. Here x minus 2 whole square, x square minus 4x plus 4. Here y plus 3 whole square, y square plus 6y plus 3 square is equal to which one, sir? 9. 3 square is equal to 9. Here 2 into, here what is the number? X plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4. Here y minus 3 whole square, y square minus 6y plus 9. 2 into 3, 6y plus 9. Okay now? Now we are simplifying this one. X square plus x square. What is that? 2x square. Y square plus y square. 2y square. Here minus 2x to minus 4x. What is that? Minus 6x. Minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x. Minus 4y plus 6y minus 4y plus 6y plus 2yn. Here 1 plus 4 5. So 5 plus 9. So 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 9 18. Okay now here 18. Okay now is equal to 2 into x square. 2x square. 2 into 4y. Here 8x plus 8 plus 2y square minus 12. 2 into 6 12y plus 18. Okay now here 2x square 2x square 2y square 2y square. Okay now minus 6x is there 8x. This one we are taking left side minus minus 6x minus 8x. Okay now plus 2y. Here that one we are taking left side plus 12y. Okay now here observe this one. Here 18 is there. 18 cancel. Okay now plus 8 is there. Plus 8 we are taking left side minus 8 equal to 0. So see here next minus 6x minus 8x minus 14x 2y plus 12y 14y minus 8 is equal to 0 minus 14x plus 14y minus 8 equal to this. All the terms we are taking the common. Minus 2 we are taking common. Minus 2. Here minus 2 we are taking common. 7x minus 2y minus 7x minus 7y minus plus 2. Okay now 2 into 7 14y. Okay now here what is the answer? Plus 4 is equal to 0. 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. So here 0 by minus 2 equal what is the value? 0. Here 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0 is the required locus. So see here, already our question clearly answer is also there. So that what is the locus? 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required locus. Okay now? All of you write down carefully. See here, this topic is already completed. Okay now? Locus topic is already completed. From this topic we have weightage only 4 marks. From the topic locus we have weightage how many marks are this? 4 marks. So from the locus topic we have, okay now? So all of you have done carefully. Okay, thank you students. Next class will be continue tomorrow.